Light switch to arm. Down here, arm. The emergency lights do not come on. They did not. Open and tag the circuit breaker that follows. Right circuit breaker panel, Echo 15, emergency lights. So Echo 15. What this is going to do is simulate a power failure. So we pull that and all of our emergency lights come on. Make sure that the exit signs, exit locator signs, and all of the external emergency lights come on. So we've got, so like these floor ones are not part of the emergency exit light battery system that we just touched. They're part of that brick that I showed you that was in here. We're concerned with these. Yep. Emergency door. I don't think there's one in the back. Or, yep, there is one back here. And that one. So that's all the ones in the interior. The one down there. And then the external will be this one to illuminate the area if you use the main entry door as the emergency exit. And these two. One to illuminate the wing if you came out of that emergency exit, and one to illuminate the ground. This is an ice detection light. It's not part of the emergency exit light system. So all of our lights come on in the event of a power failure, which is what we want to see. Now, on the iCast Synoptics page, you do not have any of the message that follows. We don't want emergency lights on or off. We do not have that. And I'll explain that because it may sound incorrect. Close that circuit breaker. All of our emergency lights go off. We'll check the exterior ones as well. Set the emergency light switch to on. Now we want that message. Emergency lights on. Set the emergency light switch to off. All emergency lights, extinguisher lights go off. And the emergency lights off. Caution message is there. Yep. And we don't need to do that. So the reason, because it might seem confusing, that when we have it in the arm position and we pull this circuit breaker to simulate an electric failure, we don't want the emergency lights on cast message, is because the emergency lights on cast message is there to notify that the crew that this switch is not in the arm position.